What's up, everybody? So I picked up some chicken thighs yesterday, put them in some buttermilk, and couldn't quite decide how to fix them today. I finally decided I'll throw them on the grill. Then I looked at my spice rubs and I thought, what a great opportunity to do a face-off. So we're going to use the Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub, against Kosmos Dirty Bird. Now, both the guys responsible for these, I've seen them use them on a variety of things: pork, chicken, beef. It's even labeled on here on Kosmos. So like I said, we're going to do some chicken thighs. And real quick tip, if you got a rub that you like and you buy one, don't throw away the container. Save it. That way when you buy something like this, you can put this in here and have a shaker. Alright, enough talk. Let me show you how I'm going to fix these. As I said, I had these soaking in buttermilk. I've drained the buttermilk off, put them on some paper towel. Quick tip, paper bags have made a comeback. Just use a paper bag instead of a cutting board. That way cut down on some of the washing up and some of the contamination of your cutting board or whatever else it may be. So I want to pat these dry. I did trim these chickens a little bit to get them more uniform. So first up, we're going to go with the Dirty Bird to having this shaker right here. And to not have such a mess, I'm using this container here. So in they go. In they go. Should use the other hand. Alright. I'm going to season pretty good. I want to cover them pretty good. One thing to note, both these rubs, one of the first or second ingredients on these is sugar. So, not sure how well this is going to go on the grill, but we'll find out. Okay, get these turned over. Try to season them up pretty good. Alright, let me clean this and we'll season up the next batch. Next up, we got the Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your chicken. Got that covered. Turn it over. Do the same thing. Okay, next thing to do, we're going to fire up the grill. Go outside and cook these babies. Alright, so Dirty Bird's going to go on the left. I'm going to go skin side up. And of course, Killer Hogs on the right. Skin side up. Got the heat on low. Close her up, let it cook. Okay, so it's been about 5-7 minutes. Time to give it a flip. Now my grill on low cooks somewhere around 350, 400. Alright, let's see which one we got here. Killer Birds on the right. And then not to cross-contaminate. Got the Alright, we'll go another 5-7 minutes. I've given the chickens a flip. This right side seems to be a little bit harder than this one. I started getting a little bit of flare-ups on this one, so fortunately I got to it just in time. But got the skin side down here. And I think I want to turn this one skin side down. This one right here looks pretty good, but I don't want it to burn, so I'm gonna leave it up. Alright, we'll come back in a few minutes. Alright, by the food guys, it said that chicken's safe to eat at 165, but most people recommend that you cook chicken thighs to about 170, 175. Let's check ours. We should be there. 170 plus the temperature of carryover. Okay, we're good. Alright, let's pull these off, go inside, let them rest, and give them a try. Okay, final look. The one on the right got a little bit more color. Might be a little more sugar in the rub. Either way, both of them look delicious. I'm starving. Let's taste. So overall cook time was about 30 minutes. Man, I am starving. Alright, let's get a little bite here on some skin and the meat. Mmm. It's good. Good blend of, it's obvious, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. Might have a little cayenne in there. I didn't look because it's getting a little bit of spice now, a little bit of heat. Overall, very good. Next, we'll go here. Want some skin and some of that meat. Skin pulls apart easily. I love that. Guys, it's very obvious to me. Ding, ding, ding. Kosmos is the winner here. Not sure what it is, but it just tastes better. Alright, we're going to wrap it up. Hope this was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm out.